Check this out. This is the moment when someone first opens your welcome email, and it's the only time in your relationship when you have their complete attention. Most businesses waste this golden opportunity with boring, generic messages, or worse, they don't send anything at all. I've helped dozens of companies transform this moment into the biggest sales driver with a simple formula that anyone can implement in under 30 minutes. Let me show you how. If you're getting email addresses but not sending a welcome message right away, you're missing out on easy money. People open welcome emails way more than the regular marketing emails. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. Now you might be thinking, I'm too busy for another marketing thing, and I get it. But what if you could set up one email, have it run all by itself, and it becomes your best performing email ever? I'd do it. Welcome emails work so well because they reach the people when they're most excited about your business. When someone gives you their email, they're basically saying, I'm interested right now. If you wait too long to say hello, they might forget why they were excited. Let me tell you a quick story. I worked with an e-commerce shop that had 2,000 email subscribers on their list, but nobody was opening their emails. So we made a simple welcome email that said thanks, shared a personal story, and gave a discount code that was just good for 48 hours. Guess what happened? This one email sold more than our last 3 promotional emails combined. People actually opened it, clicked on links, and bought stuff. The thing is, most people expect to get a welcome email right after they sign up. But many businesses never send one. And that's crazy. It's like inviting someone to your house, then not answering the door when they knock. When crafting a welcome email, all you have to do is follow the CARE formula. 1, you need to connect personally, show that you're a real person. 2, you need to appreciate them and say thanks for joining. And 3, reward them. Give them something nice right away. And last, explain what's next. Just tell them what to expect. Using this formula, businesses see way more people taking action after signing up. The personal touch and clear next steps make all the difference. Adding a story about why you started your business, making people feel special, and giving them a deadline to use their discount gets way more people to buy. So, when should you send your welcome email? Right away. People lose interest super fast after signing up. I don't know about you, but I'm on way too many email lists, and half of them I don't even remember signing up for, let alone what they do. But here's something even cooler. While sending one welcome email right away works great, sending a series of 3 emails works even better. These are the 3 emails I recommend sending. Email number 1, say hi right away using the CARE formula. Email number 2, share some helpful tips a couple days later without asking for anything. Then email number 3, about a week later, invite them to buy something. This simple series gets a lot more first-time buyers, and people spend a lot more money. Why? Well, it's because you're building trust before asking for the sale. The best part about the welcome emails is that once you set them up, they're going to work all by themselves while you focus on other things in your business. Setting this up is easy. Create a form to collect emails, tell your email system to automatically send emails to the new subscribers, write your emails, set which ones should go out, and turn it on. When you set up your welcome emails, keep an eye on 3 things though. How many people open them? Aim for 7 out of 10. How many people click on your links? Aim for 2 out of 10. And how many people are actually buying something? Here's something that might surprise you. Even if you don't change anything else about your email marketing, just adding a good welcome email can boost your overall email sales by about 25% in just 1 month. That's how powerful this simple change is. This is all good in theory, but implementation is what matters. Today, look at your welcome email, or create one if you don't have one. Use the CARE formula we talked about, and set it up to send automatically when someone subscribes. Keep in mind, every new subscriber could become a customer, but only if you make a good first impression.